What's the meaning of back catalog? Back catalog. Back catalog.
Back catalog. Back catalog. Back catalog refers to the entire collection of works, products or materials that a company, artist, or publisher has produced over a period of time that are no longer actively promoted or marketed. This can include everything from books, music albums, films, to software programs, and more. The term is particularly common in the entertainment industry, where it is often used to refer to older works that have been overshadowed by more recent releases. Companies may continue to earn revenue from their back catalog through sales of physical copies, digital downloads, or licensing agreements. The value of a strong back catalog can be immense, as it provides a steady stream of income and serves as a valuable resource for future projects.